Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet an elegant lace for borders. As you can see here, I've made one here. So let's get started. I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then I'm going to come right here to make a slip knot that way. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, need to come right here in the middle and make 6 double crochet. Go to 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Going to make 2 chain, then going to come right here that way, pull through, make a slip knot that way, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, then turn our work, yarn over. In this space of the chain, I'm going to make again 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 2, then we're going to come right here, make a slip knot that way, chain 3 again, yarn over, 6 double crochet, you can see it's supposed to look like. Chain 2 again, come right over here, going to make a slip knot that way, chain 3 again, turn our work, in the space chain 6 double crochet, then chain 2, 1 and 2 to come right over here. Make a slip knot that way, chain 3 again, yarn over that way, in the space chain to make 6 double crochet, chain 2 again, you come right over here, make a slip knot that way, chain 3 again, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over in this space of the chain, 6 double crochet again, into chain 2 again, come right here, this space, pull through that way, chain 3, turn our work, yarn over, 6 double crochet, see, then chain 2 again, come right over here, make a slip knot, then chain 3 again, turn our work, yarn over, make 6 double crochet, one and 2, then going to come right here to make our slip knot as so, then chain 3 again, come turn our work, yarn over, make 6 double crochet in the chain space, chain 2. So you can see how it looks like. I have the same one, I have got the bigger one which is here, and this is how it looks like. If you can see, it's the similar one, there's no difference. So this is how it's going to look like. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and please use this button for making your crochet lace and completing your square laces. You can stitch on top of your square laces. So I hope you like it. Till next time, see you then in my next video. Bye bye.